All that we perceive before we set out on the path belongs to the category of the incorrect relative. When we have reached the stage of aspiring conduct, if we can integrate some realization into our experience, it becomes the correct relative. But whenever we do not, it is the incorrect relative. Once we reach the bhumis, all that appears to the mind is the correct relative. Relative because mere appearances have not yet ceased, and correct because their falsity is seen directly. These appearances continue to arise from the first bhumi until the 10th bhumi, since the age-old habit of perceiving things as real has not yet been abandoned, in the same way that the scent of musk will linger in a container. Eventually, at the level of buddhahood, when these habitual tendencies have been completely eradicated, there are no dualistic perceptions.